Hi guys, hope you're doing well. In this video, we're going to model this wooden table. Let's jump right in. First, hide the architecture, level art, and other unnecessary assets. Keep only the props visible. For now, we only need 2 table legs. Press Shift plus H to hide unselected objects. Go into edit mode, select the extra legs and delete them since we won't need them. Move this leg into position using G plus Y. Go to side view. To align the leg properly, select the vertices in edit mode and move the leg into position with G plus Y. Once it's aligned, we can add the mirror modifier on the Y-axis. Select this face here. Press Shift plus S and choose Cursor to select it. Now add a cylinder, set it to 16 vertices, then scale it down. This will become part of the table structure. Make sure you are in edit mode while doing this. Notice that because we created the cylinder in edit mode, it becomes part of the same mesh. If you create it in object mode instead, Blender will treat it as a separate object. Go to Vertex Paint mode, select the white color and press Shift plus K or Ctrl plus X depending on your Blender version to apply it to the entire mesh. Now, let's refine the shape. Use Ctrl plus R to loop and Ctrl plus B to bevel the edges. Adjust the segments with the middle mouse button. Select these vertices and scale them. Select this face, press I to inset, then use E to extrude and scale them slightly. If the mesh looks too smooth in some areas, we need sharper edges. Go to Edge mode, select these edges, right-click, and choose Mark Sharp. This gives us cleaner, hard edges. Adjust the proportions if needed, just tweak the shape until it feels right. Go back to edit mode and press Ctrl plus R to add a loop cut. Select this face and scale it slightly. Extrude inward. If you accidentally create overlapping faces, simply delete them. Since this mesh is unique and not reused multiple times, we can safely apply the modifier. Make the object unique first, then apply the modifier. Now, duplicate it with Shift plus D, rotate it using R plus Z plus 45. Repeat the process until you create the full table structure. Join everything together, move the pieces slightly on the axis. This creates a folding table shape. We could add a small metallic connector here, but since this is concept work and won't be visible, we'll keep it simple. And don't forget to save your work regularly. Unhide everything again with Alt plus H. Select this mesh, keep only the top face and delete the rest. Use inset. Repeat the previous action. Move the face slightly on the Z-axis, then extrude slightly to give the tabletop more thickness. Now we have the basic table shape. Let's add a bevel modifier to soften the edges. If the bevel doesn't look right, press Ctrl plus A and apply scale and rotation first. Then go back and adjust the bevel settings. You can manually bevel specific edges if needed. This gives you more control over the final shape. Make sure to make it unique. Also, fix the normals by pressing Alt plus N and choose average face area. Clear unnecessary sharp edges to make some areas smoother. These are small details, but they help improve the final result. And now we have a nice table. Press Ctrl plus S to save your work. In the next video, we'll probably work on the lamp. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.